loves, it's your girl Kiki and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe and healthy. So in today's video we're going to do a quick cute drawstring ponytail style. The ponytail I'm using today is the Latched and Hook Tachit Ponytail and Blown Out. The things that I'm going to use for this style is some black rubber bands, a ponytail holder of course, some hair jewelry. The hair jewelry is optional or interchangeable. You can use whatever you have on hand. And your edge control or gel or whatever you're going to use to lay your hair down with. I'm using the Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste. But again, whatever you have, you can use. And also I'm debating, I do have some scrunchies. I have like this like velour one or velvet, and I have like the silky one. I may go with the silky. Of course, before we get started, if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to your girl, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And yeah, let's get into this video. All right, so I'm starting on freshly washed hair. I had like 6 braids in my head, 6 plaits, and then I just took them out and I brushed my hair out, and this is the result. All right, so I'm gonna do a ponytail that's a little higher up, probably about right here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section my hair off from the front to the back. All right, I'm gonna put that away. All right, so now I have my piece right here, and I'm just gonna take some from each side. And y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just freestyling. I need a quick style. And yeah, I just need a quick style. And I love a drawstring ponytail for that. It's quick and easy. All right, so now we have our part right here. You can see it. And I'm just gonna section that off real quick and put a little twist so it doesn't get mixed back up. Alright, so now I'm just gonna put my hair away so I can work on the middle. And y'all, this doesn't have to be perfect. Your ponytail does not always have to be slicked down, laid baby hairs. Like, I live for some natural edges. But don't get me wrong, I love some laid edges too, but whatever you choose to do, be you. You are beautiful, and don't let anyone tell you any different. All right, so now we are going to start on our little middle piece. So I'm guessing we're just gonna do some parts. There goes the first part, and then I'm gonna take my control paste and I'm just gonna put that on the perimeter of my little section right here. Alright, so then we're just gonna rubber band this up. Now we're not gonna do it too tight. So I'm just gonna start twisting it. If you don't know how to twist, you do not have to twist it. You can just move on to the next section and then rubber band that. Alright, so now moving on to the next section. We're just gonna part that off. And we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna take some more of our control paste. All right, so we're gonna grab this piece and we're gonna bring it back into the next section, and then we are going to rubber band that off. All right, and this is our final section. So again, we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna take our control paste, and then again, we're gonna rubber band that section. All right, so you see I got this twist. I'm gonna twist this part that is not twisted first, and then I'm gonna twist those together. And this is what it looks like right here. This is our middle part. All right, so I'm gonna take some of this control paste and I'm gonna just hit the back of my neck so I can try to slick it a little bit. Alright, and I'm gonna take some more. I didn't want to go through my whole head and mold it. I didn't think I needed to do that section by section. Sometimes I do that when I want like my hair super laid. But again, today I'm kind of trying to just get through this really quick, because this is meant to be a quick style, something light if you just gotta run out really fast, but you want to look cute. Alright, so now we're just gonna get everything up into a ponytail. Alright, now this is cute, but I want to use my ponytail, so I'm going to try to fit my little or big puff under. So I'm just going to twist it, try to get it as small as possible. Then I'm just going to take our rubber band. Oops. I'm going to lay that down. Alright, and I'm just gonna take some more of this curl paste because I can see some flyaways. But that's okay. See, easy fix. Y'all know I love my little sideburns. Fun fact, I used to shave them off, but I decided I'm gonna begin to embrace myself and me, and these make me me. So now I'm just gonna slick them down, my little curlies. All right, and then I'm gonna just take my little mesh head wrap, and I'm just gonna put this down so that stays intact while I do the rest. All right, so moving on to the ponytail. Again, this is the Latched and Hook Tachit Ponytail. I did purchase this with my own money, y'all. This is not sponsored. Y'all know I love Latched and Hook, y'all. And of course, you know Latched and Hook, all their hair is non-toxic. All right, so this is the Tachit Ponytail in the style Blown Out. All right, so it's a drawstring ponytail. Here is your drawstring. I loosened it up. It has 2 combs in it. It has like the netting, if you can see that. So my ponytail should fit under this. It's pretty deep. So we are gonna attach our ponytail. All right, so I'm gonna take my string and I'm gonna wrap that around first. All right, so I'm gonna take my scrunchie. I decided on the silky one. I'm just gonna put that on my ponytail. All right, so now let's take this off. Let me show you where this ponytail hits. It's so pretty. It looks like blown out natural hair. I love it. Alright, so now we have these rubber bands. You can leave it just like this. We got the all black going on. This is fine, but I'm still gonna add some of these hair jewelry just to kind of spice things up a little bit. And now I'm a little extra. All right, y'all, and this is the finished look. This is what the middle part looks like. Oh, let's get some earrings, a little gloss. All right, my love, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Again, this is the Latched and Hooked Tachit Ponytail. I actually love that it comes in this pouch because I can take it off and put it right back in here and store it. It's so dope. So yeah, again, all the information to everything that I used will be down below in the description box. I really love this ponytail, y'all. It is so soft and you can curl it, you can probably crimp it. I will have to check with Latched and Hooked though, but as far as I know, all their synthetic hair, you can like straighten it and curl it and whatever you want to do. Again, thank you so much for watching. You know, I appreciate you always. And until next time, take care, be safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.